Good afternoon, boys and girls. Mr. West here. I have our second writer's workshop activity for the week. It's going to be a little different than what we usually do. We usually do free choice at the end of the week, but today we're going to be working on something very special. This weekend it's going to be Father's Day, as we all know. So first of all, if you haven't checked already, go on Class Dojo in the Class Story section and on our YouTube channel, and you'll find some craft ideas by Mrs. K for Father's Day, which are going to be fantastic. So I imagine a lot of you are probably going to be working on Father's Day cards, so I wanted to put a little video up here just to kind of show you some of the parts of a card that you want to make sure you include. And so I made a little writing here of my card for what I would write for my father, and I will go through it with you. So why don't we read it together first? So we'll read the green letters. So I wrote in the green what I want to write to my dad, and in the blue letters I just sort of labeled different sections of the card so you know what they are. So if you follow my marker, let's do it. It says here, Happy Father's Day, and it says, Dear Dad, I am so looking forward to play golf with you. This will be the first time we celebrate both as fathers. I hope this is the best Father's Day yet. And it says, Love, Mark. So I put my name. I'm not going to put Mr. West on my Father's Day card, boys and girls, so I just put my first name there. That's usually how we sign off for our cards. So when we look at the blue letters, this top part, there's actually about 4 different parts to our letter writing, or if you're writing a card. And we actually went through this earlier in the year when we were back at school. I know we did some card writing earlier. So you got to remember, you always have a greeting at your card. So you could say, Dear Dad, or to Dad, some sort of greeting whenever you write that. The next spot, this is where what we call the body. So this is where you write all your stuff. Everything you want to say to your dad or to whoever you're writing your letter to, you put it in here, and we call that the body. And it's obviously called the body because it's the biggest part of our letter. Here we have our closing word, and I chose the word love, but you could say from and then you put your name, so you could say from Mr. West, or love Mr. West, or sincerely Mr. West, any closing word you can think of, but love's the easiest one, and I think it's the nicest. And then finally, I put down here, it's your signature. So I just printed my name, but you could also write your signature at the end of a letter or a card. So that is basically it for writing your cards to your fathers, which I hope all of you are doing, because your fathers all deserve a nice card from you, so you should be working on that today and tomorrow. I will create an assignment on Class Dojo so that you can post your cards that you wrote for Dad, so I can read them all and Miss K can read them all. So hope you have fun with that. I hope you all have a wonderful Father's Day, and have a great weekend, boys and girls. Bye.